Good day, everyone. It's a pleasure to be here to share how teaching contemporary literature can help advance Mountain View College vision, mission, goals, and objective. Let me share how this subject connects our institution core purpose. Teaching contemporary literature advance MBC vision, mission, goals, and objective by aligning with its Christ-centered vision and mission. It helps students become lifelong learners seeking Bible-based knowledge, innovators exploring creative and modern perspectives, goal-oriented achievers working toward Adventist aims, health advocate reflecting on holistic well-being, trustworthy individuals practicing integrity and spiritually empowered leaders ready to share. For education graduates, it builds skills in curriculum design and self-expression, fosters high order and spiritual thinking, encourage innovative and technologically adept practice, and reinforce noble character rooted in Adventist lifestyle. That's all. Thank you for listening.